I bought this boat about 8 months ago and it's been great, but the other day the steering wheel came off out on the water, which was pretty funny, but it could have been a disaster. So I thought I'd show you how I fixed it. The steering wheel is bolted onto a steering column with a 1/2 inch nut, but the threads are so rounded out that I can't tighten it any tighter than finger tight. I've previously tried packing this with some washers to get the bolt to sit near usable thread on the column, but even that has been ruined. You can see the steering column has a keyway slot in it to stop the wheel from rotating around the shaft. Let's take a closer view of the damage. Yep, some rutted out spots in the thread. I have a thread cutting kit, but of course not the right size, the largest was 12mm. So I went to a local tool store and they sold me the only 1/2 inch die they had. I was pretty sure it was a different TPI than the existing thread, so I also went and got a new 1/2 inch nylock and a matching 13 TPI. Alright, back in the boat, I'm just using my fingers to get this die cutting nice and straight. Once it's on there, I can put the die stock holder on and tighten the grub screw down, and then I can go to town and cut the new thread. I should probably have some cutting compound or something on there to help it, but the die was brand new and it had no problems getting through the material. The die spins off nice and easy, so I know the threads have been cut well, but let's take a look and see how it turned out. That looks pretty sweet to me. Now I can chuck the wheel back on. This is the old nut that held it on, and yeah, the thread on this is shot too, not to mention it's no longer the right gauge now. The new bolt should do the trick. Yeah, look at that, going on smoothly. Sweet, now I can just grab my socket set and nip this up. Now obviously I want this tighter than before, but I'm being careful not to damage the newly cut thread. Just a little bit more. And yep, that's nice and solid now. Oh well, that turned out pretty good, just gotta wait for some nice weather now. Hope you guys enjoyed this short vid, I'll see you all on the next one.